Hi everybody, my name is Valery and I am creator of the EasyVolts device. In this video I want to show you how with EasyVolts you can easily connect some external hardware to your PC and control it with software written on Python. For the demo I will use a simple setup that consists of RC Servo button to provide user input and EasyVolts that will provide power for all the setup and generate PWM signals for PWM and read button state to provide PC with user input. We will use very simple connection schematic. We don't need even a single resistor, external resistor for it. Everything can be done with direct connection. Because these two pins of the EasyVolt can be configured as inputs with pull up or pull down or simple input without any pull ups. So to control the logic of the system, we will use this software, very short software written on Python. It's quite simple. All you need is only communicate over serial port that is created by the EasyVolts in your operation system. So let's see how it works. I start the software. Here we can see state of the button. 1 means high, it means not pressed, and other details like direction and PWM duty cycle. When I will press this button, servo will start turning and will stop only when I release it. When I press the button again, servo will start turning in the opposite direction. So I can easily set position with only a single button. Let's see how it works. I press the button. Yeah. We reached the leftmost position. If I press button again, we turn to the rightmost position. You see that software shows current button state. When I release it, it changes. So it's very simple. All details will be on my website, easyvolts.com. I will put all the links below the video, so if you are interested, you can check the code and probably reproduce it or ask me some question if you have any. So thank you for watching, have a nice day and bye.